Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to discuss the simple interest topic problems. So let's get started. A certain sum of money lent out at simple interest amounts to rupees 2400 in 4 years and rupees 3000 in 6 years. So find the rate of interest. Okay, so here initially we don't know what is the principal. Okay, and we only know that it will become 2400 in 4 years. Means here this 2400 means we are having both the simple interest and the principal. Okay, and the same sum, that is P, will become 3000 in 6 years. So here also this is the sum of the simple interest and the principal, means this is the amount we are receiving after 6 years. Okay, so here what I did before that, actually we know that, so in the simple interest, so every year we receive the same kind of interest. Suppose if I receive 20 in the first year, so in second year also I am going to receive 20. So like the third year I will get 20. So if I keep on adding that, so finally we will get the simple interest and the principal as the total amount we receive in the end. Okay, so here they have told that the amount will become 3000 in 6 years. So I have written 3000 here, and the amount will become 2400 in 4 years. Okay, that also I have written here. So the difference will be 600. So here means, so this is the simple interest, means which we receive between the years of 4 years and 6 years. Means there is a gap of 2 years between this. So that's why I have divided this 600 by 2. So that will be equal to 300. So this is the simple interest which I am going to receive every year. So but we got the simple interest value only, but we don't know what is the rate of interest percentage. So that's why here, so let's say the interest will be for 4 years. Okay, so here I have multiplied this 300 with 4, so that will give you 1200. Means for 4 years I will get 1200 as interest. So this 2400, so there is an inclusion of both the simple interest and the principal, but here I got the interest. So if I subtract this 2400 minus 1200, I will get 1200, so which is the principal amount. Or you can even substitute in another form, like this equation, this form, means this is the simple interest for every year and we get it for the further 6 years. So that is 300 into 6, so which will give you 1800. Okay, so and if I subtract this 1800 from 3000, so I will get 1200, so which is the principal. So therefore the rate of interest will be, so this is the interest per year and this is the principal. So if I multiply this with 100, I will get 25%. So let's get into the next question. So Anu lent rupees 4500 to Ramya for 2 years and rupees 7500 to Khatir for 4 years at the same rate of interest, and she received altogether rupees 2340, okay, as interest from both. Find the rate of simple interest. So initially we know that what is the principal and for how many years she is going to invest, but we don't know what is the rate. So here also she is going to give 7500 to Khatir for 4 years, but here also we don't know the interest. But from the question it is clear that she has amount for same rate of interest. Therefore we can write 4500 into 2 into r divided by 100 plus 7500 into 4 into r divided by 100. So that will be equal to 2340. So after simplifying this, we will get 90r plus 300r, which will be equal to 2340. Then 390r will be equal to 2340. Therefore r will be equal to 6%, which is the rate of simple interest. So let's solve the next question. If the amount received after 3 years at the rate of 12.5% per annum is rupees 5830 at the simple interest, so find the amount invested. Okay, and we know that So if I add the principal plus interest, I will get the amount. So in the question they have given that the amount which received after 3 years, that is 5830. So I have written this. So for the principal and interest, so we have a hint that they had given the rate of interest as 12.5%, and we know that the fractional value for this 12.5% will be 1 by 8. Okay, so here the 8 will be the principal amount and 1 unit will be the interest which is received. But here they had given that the interest is received for 3 years, so that's why I have multiplied 1 unit with 3. So that will give you 8 unit plus 3 unit will be equal to 5830. So which means 11 unit will be equal to 5830, and we have to calculate the amount invested, which is the principal, that is 8 unit. So if I solve this, simplify this, I will get 530 into 8. So that will be equal to rupees 4240. So actually we can do it in like common traditional way, that is PTR by 100. That will be equal to simple interest. So that is, we don't know the value for P, and we know it is invested for 3 years, and we don't know the value for R. So I have written here, okay, we know the value for R, that is 1 by 8. Okay, so that will be equal to 5830. Fine. Okay, so here we can see it is this is the interest. Okay, this is the interest, that is 1 by 8. So after 3 years means I will write it, I will add the plus 3 here, so it will become 11. Okay, this is already of interest values, that's why I have erased it. So this 11 5 is 55, 33. Okay, so 538 into 530 into 8, that is 800, 8 is 24, 40, 42. So this is also 4240 it will give. Okay, so let's get into the next question. The simple interest at the end of 3 years on a sum of rupees 6150 is rupees 1180.8. What will be the simple interest on the rupees 2750 for 4 years at the same rate of interest? So here we have the simple interest amount which is received after 3 years will be 1180.8. So for first year we will get what? Means per year how much simple interest we are going to receive. So that's why I have divided it by 3. I will get 393.6. Okay, so after this, if I compare it with the principal amount, that is 3936.6 divided by 6150 into 100, I will get 1.6%. Okay, so this is the rate of interest which is applied. Okay, so then I have used it for the calculation of the simple interest for rupees 2750. Okay, so that is this rate of interest R into 4 years into 2750. This is the principal, which is divided by 100 will give you, after solving this I will get 704. So this is the simple interest which is received for the sum of 2750 after 4 years. So the next question. A certain sum is invested at the simple interest at R% per annum, and it is invested for 5 years. So had it been invested at R plus 4% per annum at the simple interest, it would have fetched rupees 960 rupees more as the interest. Okay, so find the sum invested. So here you can see there is a R% interest rate. Okay, and it is invested for 5 years, therefore the rate of interest will be 5%. Okay, and had it been invested at rate of percentage R plus 4%, if means if it is invested for R plus 4% and for the same years actually, so they didn't mention that. Okay, so means they have already told that had it been invested means if it is invested R plus 4% for the same 5 years, okay, that will be 5R plus 20%. And they also given that it would have fetched 960 rupees more as interest, means the difference between these two will be equal to 960. Okay, which is 5 gets cancelled and it will remain with 20%. So that is equal to 960. So this is the interest for the 5 years. Okay, so we want only the interest per year. Therefore, if I divide it by 5, I will get a 4% will be equal to 192. So therefore 1% will be equal to 48, and they asked the sum invested means 100%. So that will be equal to 4800. So that's it for today. So I'm done with the daily arithmetic 5 questions. So please do support for more videos like this, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.